Okay, so welcome to the Oceanview Cafe, everybody. Here we are now. This is the early morning breakfast service here on the lovely Celebrity Xcel. And let's go in now and take a look to see what we can find available for the morning breakfast service. Now, the first thing to mention is that when you come into the restaurant, please do wash your hands for a safe and healthy and happy cruise. There are facilities that are made available here for you to wash your hands. And then on this, first of all, on this right hand side, there is a scoops area, and this will be used later on in the day for serving ice cream, etc. So let's go in and take a look at what's available for the morning breakfast service. And there will be people in this video because the Oceanview Cafe is now open for service. Okay, so let's go in now then. So the first thing that you'll see is a nice open space here, obviously designed to handle large volumes of people for breakfast, lunch and dinner. But a really nice complementary design, lovely use of colours, and then of course lots of the service food courts in the middle of this whole area. And first, what you'll also see here is Il Secondo Becchio, which is the onboard coffee shop. Now, there is one on deck 5 that you would have seen in the part 1 of the ship tour video, but here's Il Secondo Becchio for your early morning coffee experience. And then as we go into the cafe itself, you'll see a whole bunch of bread products on display, which is all baked daily and overnight by the culinary team here, the bakery team, and you can see some of them working away in the background. And then bakery items, so lots of rolls and sliced breads and cobs, etc., that you can use to select and have with your breakfast. So what else is available here on the morning breakfast service? Okay, so if we take a look at the bread station, then we can find some chocolate chip brioche, we can see some oat bran muffins, some coconut muffins, some apricot basket Danish, we can see some blueberry Danish, some chocolate croissants, and some standard croissants as well. And if we go still further, we can see Chef's Pastry Special, which are sticky buns that contain nuts. Okay, so if we continue with this make your own muesli section, we can see some nice sliced mango and some dried oats and some mixed muesli with water, and we can see some berry fruits, and we can see some strawberries, and of course your plates and your cutlery. And then if we go still further, then we can see a variety of different pressed juices, so tomato juice and prune juice and orange, etc. A variety of different yogurts, plain blueberry and strawberry, and also vanilla. You can also see some plain yogurt with blueberry filling, and then a variety of the standard cereals, so raisin bran and special K and cornflakes, etc., with the milk to go with that. Okay, so if we take a look on the poached egg station, we can see some spicy items here as well, some fried rice and some plain rice. We can also see some eggs Benedict, so some poached eggs that are ready to be used on varying forms of eggs Benedict, so the standard and salmon Benedict, and also one with spinach, which is eggs Florentine, and a variety of items that you can also use for your own congee. So some items down there, and we can see some vegetable congee and some plain congee. Okay, so if you'd like a drink this morning, there is a bar service that's available, and this young lady will sort you out with a non-alcoholic or an alcoholic drink if you require it. and you can get yourself a mimosa here and some champagne, etc. And then if we move further on onto the food section, we can see some steamed sweet potato. We can also see a variety of different rolls on the toasting station, and our friend here will toast you some sliced bread or some English muffins or some crumpets if you require them. And then as we move along, there is also the eggs your way station. So if you want fried eggs or poached eggs or an omelette using a variety of different ingredients, you can get that here. And there will be some pre-made omelettes that will be available later on in the service, but this is the early morning service, so you won't see all of the items here on display. If we go on to the next section, then we can see some hard-boiled eggs and some scrambled eggs. We can also see corned beef and some crispy bacon, American style crispy bacon. There's some pork sausage and some steamed corn and some roasted potato. If we go still further, there are some hash browns and some nice grilled spiced tomatoes. And if we go around still further, you can find some guacamole and tortilla chips and some other sauce to go with that, some salsa cruda. We can find some baked beans and some Mexican scrambled eggs, and we can find some egg white wraps, some tortillas, some vegetable curry, and also a puree. And on the chilled section, we can find some assorted cheese, some sliced turkey, some assorted cold cuts, so salami and some beef, and also some provolone. We can also find some smoked mackerel and some smoked salmon, and a variety of the fixings to go with that for your salmon breakfast. Okay, so we're now on to the toasting station, and you can find peanut butter and a variety of different jams, apricot, strawberry, orange marmalade, and Nutella and butters. And of course, this is the toasting station, so this young lady will sort you out, toast you your sliced bread and your muffins, English muffins, and your bagels, etc. So that's the toasting station. If we take a look at the fruit station, we can find some half grapefruits. We can also find some sliced orange and some pre-cut watermelon. We can also find some melon, both cantaloupe and the other variety. We can also find some whole fruits in bananas and apples and oranges and red and green apples, and some more bananas on the end. And if we go further around, we can find some whole oranges and also some plums, peaches and nectarines. And if we take a look on the Mediterranean breakfast section, we can see a whole bunch of Greek yogurt with honey and walnuts. We can see some onions and sliced tomatoes. We can also see some olives. We can see some Mediterranean salad and also some salami. And if we go still further around, we can see some gluten-free bread and gluten-free rolls. We can see some blueberry Danish gluten-free, and also raisin muffins. So that's the gluten-free station here on board Celebrity Xcel. So if we carry on the American section, we can see some grits and some hot milk. We can also see some corned beef and some grilled vegetables. There's some biscuits and gravy. There's some fried bread and also some egg frittata. And if we carry on around on the same island, we can see the English section, where we can see some pork sausage, some black pudding, some grilled tomatoes, some baked beans, and also some English bacon, which is also very nice to see. And if we carry on around to the other side, we can see some hard-boiled eggs, some scrambled eggs, some grilled mushrooms and also some chicken sausage. We can also see some half grapefruits and some pre-cut pineapple and some sliced melon and watermelon. And also, as we go around to the next section, we can see a nice roasted ham with some apple sauce. And then if we carry on still further, we can find some scrambled eggs, some corned beef, some crispy bacon, some chicken sausage, and also some roasted potatoes. Okay, and on the toasting station we can find a variety of different preserves and some sliced bread, English muffins, bagels, etc. that will be toasted here by the team. You can also select your individual ingredients with our friend here that will help us out for your own bespoke omelette. So pick your ingredients, add your eggs, and the guys here will provide you a lovely fresh omelette. And then we can also see some chicken sausage, some hash browns, and some pork sausage, and some crispy bacon to complement your omelette selection. And we can see some further tables on the other side of the restaurant where you can enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, so that was the early morning breakfast service here in the Oceanview Cafe. We hope you found that useful, and just bear in mind that that is just the minimal service here because it is very early morning, and later on in the morning then the restaurant will open up and more of the serving areas will actually be populated, and of course you'll be able to see much more in the way of volume of people here in the restaurant. So we hope you found that was useful. This has been Ray and Sue's Travel Channel. This has been the lovely Celebrity Xcel early morning breakfast service in the Oceanview Cafe. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next Oceanview Cafe service video. Bye-bye. So we hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you'd like to see more, then check out our channel, Ray and Sue's Travel Channel, where you'll find a multitude of different videos covering ship tours, port tours, and offering up tips and advice. You'll also find individual playlists where you can centre in on a specific ship or a specific itinerary. And consider liking and subscribing to Ray and Sue's Travel Channel. It's free, and there's not a lot free these days, is there? Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.